like it.
The Exorcist, quick! Your ass looks huge.
Oh, look at God, stop, Jennifer! Why do you
Ew, it sounded like you farted.
Jennifer. I'm kidding. What the hell?
What? Wait. I'm doing my homework. Nothing interesting here.
You can't untie. Oh my gosh, she's tickling my feet!
Whoa! Wow! Jennifer, you can try to put some fuzzy handcuffs.
Oh, Tyrone! You're very skilled at that.
What the hell? You would know. How do you know?
Hey, you never know.
Okay, you guys are gonna be the ones embarrassed just because I asked. Oh, hello.
Yukino, love you. Nobody's on the phone, is they?
Did you call Marina?
Oh, hell. Hey, no, turn that video off. I'm serious. I'll tell my mom I'm.
Oh, shut up.
I will tell my mom.
Shut up.
Anything on YouTube.
Just put it on Facebook.
No.
Dad, stop.
Okay.
God, that light's not obvious. Hello?
Stop. Turn it off.
It is off.
No, it's not. It's not off. No, stop. Hello? Oh, hi.
Hello,
Yukino. Oh my God, you idiot! I'm her mom.
Yukino wants her mom.
Yukino wants her mom. Remember, you need to get started on your project.
How do you know this isn't my project?
Oh.
Oh God, poor Jen. Poor camera. poor class.
Tired now. Who wants to listen to music?
What is this?
My hair.
Why did you call her on her cell phone?
That was her cell phone.
Her mom.
Her mom answered her cell phone.
I wanna kiss you, but if I do, then I might miss you, babe. It's complicated and stupid. Got my ass squeezed by sexy Cupid. Guess he wants to play, wants to play. I love game, I love game. Hold me and love me. Just wanna touch you for